Hello to everyone. Today we are going to talk about the essay structure, or we can say the parts of an essay. Uh, an essay has an introductory paragraph, a hook, a general information thesis statement, body paragraphs, and concluding paragraphs. The introductory paragraph serves to introduce the topic and provide some context to the reader. It typically includes a hook, general information, and thesis statement. Next, we are going to talk about the hook. The hook is the opening sentence or sentences designed to grab the reader's attention and encourage them to continue reading. It can be a thought-provoking question, a surprising fact, a compelling anecdote, or a relevant quote. The general information, we can find it after the hook. The essay may provide some general background information about the topic to set the stage for the thesis statement. This information should be concise and relevant to the overall essay. The thesis statement is a really important part of an essay. Is the central argument or the main idea of the essay. It presents the writer's stance on the topic and provides a roadmap for the rest of the essay. A strong thesis statement is clear, concise, and specific, and usually we can find the thesis statement at the end of the introductory paragraph. The body paragraphs make up the main content of the essay and present supporting evidence and arguments for the thesis statement. Each body paragraph typically focuses on a single point or idea and starts with a topic sentence that introduces the main argument of the paragraph. The topic sentence is followed by supporting evidence, examples, and analysis. The concluding paragraph wraps up the essay and reinforces the thesis statement and main points. It should not introduce new information and rather provide a summary of the key arguments made in the body paragraphs. Additionally, it can offer some final thoughts related to the topic. We must remember that the number of body paragraphs can vary depending on the length of the essay. In a standard 5-paragraph essay, there are usually 3 body paragraphs, while longer essay may have more than 3. We can say that overall the structure of an essay is designed to present a clear and logical flow of ideas from the introduction to the conclusion, guiding the reader through the writer's thoughts and arguments on the chosen topic. And that's everything. Here we can see the references that I use for this presentation. And that's it. That's everything. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.